Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Logitech Z906 Surround Sound system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this surround sound system not connecting or not responding properly, or if it's just not working, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you're just trying to get a fresh start on this system and you're setting it up someplace new, we can just wipe everything off of it and go ahead and get it back to its out-of-the-box defaults. All we need to do is, first of all, we're going to come in and we're going to turn it off. And then we're just going to come in and press and hold the input button for 8 seconds. And after about 8 seconds, you should see some lights on the display flicker and flash, and you should hear kind of a popping sound from the speakers indicating that the reset has been completed. Once that's done, then you can go ahead, release the input button, and then go ahead and turn this speaker back on, the surround sound system back on, and set it up like a new system.